Okay, now today we'll start about the decoder. Last class we have done up to encoders, now decoders. These encoders and decoders go together. Now we will come to know what is decoders. So decoder is a circuit that converts binary number into equivalent denary form, means the decimal number. The encoder, it was doing just the opposite. Encoder, we are entering the decimal number, we are converting into binary number. But here the decoders again is because if the decoder if the calculation is done in the binary, and again if you get the output in the binary, then it will be difficult for us to understand. So there should be some type of opposite system where again the binary number will convert into the decimal number. So that is the decoder. So if you see, look, so decoder is this, you have to study. Decoder is a circuit that converts binary number into equivalent denary form or decimal number. Now you see this encoder decoder, how it is working. This is the encoder and here it is a decoder. Now in encoder we are giving some denary input from the keyboard, denary input. The encoder is converting into so from up to encoder it is converting into binary output. Denary decimal you are inputting, encoder converting into the binary, and it is going to the processor. For processor also it is going as a binary, because processor understands only the binary number. Then processor will do the calculation, it will come out as output, and then it will be in a binary form only, binary output. That again it will go to the decoder. Decoder comes getting as a binary input, and then it is converting into decimal number and denary output. So this way encoder and decoder. So we are decimal number, we are input, and we are getting decimal number as a output, but in between there is a process of converting into binary and again into the decimal. So these two processes go together. Now I will go details about the decoder. So it is a truth table of 2x4 decoder. You see here 2x4 decoder, 2 input, 4 output. See the binary to decimal, remember this, we are converting into binary to decimal. So binary number 2, here it is 0011, 2 variable case I have taken. Binary 0, binary 1, so 0011, 0101. Now this 0 binary, it is actually decimal 0 it is. This is decimal 1, this is decimal 2, and this is decimal 3. In that places, this is signifying decimal 1, that's why in decimal 1. So here this is the decimal 0 location, this is the 1 it is. So means 0 it is. 00 is the 0, decimal 0, so 0 position it is 1. Now 01 is the decimal 1, so here it is D1 is decimal 1, decimal 2, decimal 3, and this is decimal 0. So decimal 1 it is the 1 here. Here it is 2, so decimal 2 it is a 1 here, and this is a 3, and decimal 3 it is a 1 here. Now from here what we are getting, so D0, if you consider the D0 here, that signifying the B1 position is B1 complement and B0 complement. Then D1, here it is B1 complement and B0. Here it is D2, D2 is D of B1 and B0 complement, and here D3, both are without complement, B1, B2. So here this is the truth table for 2x4 decoder, so you don't have to write anything, little bit you can write it. Workings, if they ask for workings, otherwise if they say the truth table for 2x4 decoder, so this is the truth table for 2x4 decoder. So here this is the way you have to draw it. So this is logical circuit for 2x4 decoder. Just now we had done the truth table, now this is the logical circuit. Logical circuit, you see there is a B1 and B0, this is 2 input I have taken like that way, and this is one normal form, and this is the B1 normal and B1 not. That's why I have taken that. You can take separately also, but from the source I have taken B1, making a knot and passing it like this. Here also B0 I have taken normal one, and this is the knot. This is the B complement, B0 complement, and this is B1 complement. Now if you see D0 from the truth table, D0 equal to B1 complement and B0 complement, both are there. And B1 complement and so B1 complement and B0 complement, both are there with an AND gate. So this is the AND gate, all four are AND gate. So this is the knot, B1 knot and B0 knot. So this is passing. Then here it is D1 equal to B1 complement and B0. B1 complement means we are taking from here, and B0 is a normal form. Here it is B1 complement and B0. Here it is this B1 and B0 complement. This is B1 and B0 complement. And here it is another one, so B1, both are without complement, B1 and B0. So this is the, and then that is the output. Here all are passing like that way with the AND gate. So this is the logical circuit for 2x4 decoder. So this much only you have to draw and you have to write it for 2x4 decoder logical circuit. So this is truth table of a 3x8 decoder. 3x8 decoder, you see a 3x8 decoder. Now this is your inputs. 3x8 means 3 input, 3 variable case it is. So B0, B1 and B2. So that means 8 arrangement. 3 variable means 2 to the power 3 equal to 8. 8 arrangement you see 4041, 2021, 2021, 0101. So it is the 8 arrangements are there. And now here this is all binary and this is the decimal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See here, from here also up to 7 digits can be generated from the binary 111, that is your 7. So 7 digits can be generated from here. Now you see it is very simple to fill up this. If you just diagonally, if you just use different color, so if you just go diagonally put 1, then rest you put 0, then the problem is solved. So you don't have to see carefully. You have to go diagonal. So if you go diagonal 1, 1, 1, this 1 means it is 0. This 3 means this is signifying this is 0. This is 1 signifying. Here it is signifying 2. It is signifying 3. It is like this. And it is signifying 4 like that. If you go, so it is now D0 you have to go. D0 means what? D0 here it is 1. That means they are corresponding B0 complement, B1 complement, or B2 complement, B1 complement, and B0 complement. All three are complement. Now here it is 1. So B2 complement, B1 complement, and B0. Here it is 1. Then it is this is 3, D3 equal to B2 complement, B1 and B0 like that way if you go. 0 means complement, 1 means without complement. So these are the outputs we are getting it here. So that next we will put into the circuit with the help of this. So this if the question comes 3x8 decoder truth table. So this is your 3x8 decoder truth table. So this is the logical circuit of a 3x8 decoder. This circuit is also I have given you in the notes there in the WhatsApp. So you can see it there. Just trying to explain a little bit. Here nothing to explain. There are 3 inputs B0, B1 and B2. B0 ordinary B0 and this is the B0 complement. This is B1 and this is B1 complement and this is B2 and this is B2 complement. So that's a two lines are there. And now D0 accordingly you can see D0 all 3 complements that already I have given you. I have given just now that in the truth table D0 equal to B0, B1 and B2. So all 3 are complementary. Like that way you see here. It is coming from how it is coming is coming from the truth table. You see that from there only I wrote D0 equal to all 3 complement. Now D1 equal to here B2 complement, B1 complement and B0. D1 equal to B2, B1 and B0. So here this one B2 complement, then B1 complement, B2 complement, B1 complement and B0. So this way you might say that I am writing here B0, B1, B2 here and B2, B1, B0. That will not be a problem because all are AND and no problem. So you can write it. So this is the way all are coming and you have to write this side also. These are the output already. This is the logical circuit of a 3x8 decoder. So this much only you have to draw, but remember this, no freehand drawing. You have to use the scale and pencil. Pencil and scale is a must. And then only you will get the whole marks. And these are the inputs. Here from this side is the input. You can make it like this, inputs, and that is the output.